Sheds Direct Manchester have a great range of sheds. This video has just a small selection that is available. Why not treat yourself to a summer house for some extra space? Log cabins make excellent home offices. These summer houses make an excellent hobby room or a children's playroom. We have metal sheds for the more security-minded. We have many traditional wooden garden sheds. We have wooden sheds with great finishes. For more information visit www.shedsdirect.co.uk.